Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M53 and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first we should go into the settings application, and after that we should scroll to the biometrics and security section, then scroll a little bit down and tap to this other security settings. Here you will see the first section to set up SIM card lock. So once click here, and after that we'll see here lock SIM card switcher, it's turned on. So now just to remove the SIM pin from our SIM card, you should click here once on the switcher, and after that we should enter here the currently password. In my case that's from 1 to 4. After that just click here to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully removed SIM pin from our SIM card. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.